Ever wonder how life begins in the wildest corners of our planet? Forget what you think you know about family life. We're diving deep into the untamed world of animal parents and their offspring, where survival is the ultimate test of love and instinct. From the first flutter of courtship to the first breath of new life, this is the story of family, wild style. Let's journey to the windswept coasts of the Pacific Northwest, a realm ruled by one of nature's most iconic families, the bald eagles. Before the first egg is even a thought, an incredible aerial romance unfolds. The male and female lock talons high in the sky, tumbling and cartwheeling in a breathtaking display of trust and commitment. This isn't just a dance, it's a lifelong pact. Once bonded, they work as a team, building a colossal nest, or eyrie, high in the canopy. Some nests are used for decades, growing to weigh over a ton. They meticulously line it with soft grasses and moss, preparing a safe cradle for the future of their lineage. Finally, the moment arrives. The female lays 1 to 3 precious eggs. For the next 35 days, a tireless vigil begins. The parents share incubation duties, taking turns to shield their clutch from the harsh elements and ever-present danger. One parent will gently roll the eggs to ensure even warmth, while the other stands guard or hunts, their sharp eyes scanning the territory. This period is fraught with peril. Raccoons, crows, and even other eagles pose a constant threat. It's a relentless, round-the-clock job where a single moment of inattention could mean the end. Every sunrise brings them one day closer to the miracle of hatching. Now, let's plunge beneath the waves into the chilly, kelp-rich waters of the California coast. Here, another dedicated mother is preparing for her own special delivery, the sea otter. Unlike the eagles, sea otter mothers go it alone. After a pregnancy that can last up to 6 months, she gives birth to a single pup right in the water. Imagine that. The newborn is a tiny, buoyant ball of fluff, weighing only about 5 pounds. Its fur is so dense it can't even dive. For the first 2 months, the pup is completely dependent, spending most of its time resting on its mother's belly as she floats on her back. This floating nursery is both a haven and a challenge. The mother is a constant source of warmth and a provider of rich milk. She is also a meticulous groomer, constantly fluffing and cleaning her pup's fur to maintain its waterproof and insulating properties. But she can't hunt and cradle her baby at the same time. She must leave her vulnerable pup floating on the surface, sometimes wrapped in kelp to prevent it from drifting away, while she dives for sea urchins, crabs, and clams. Every dive is a race against time and a gamble against lurking predators like great white sharks. This is motherhood at its most demanding, a delicate balance of nurture and necessity in the vast, unforgiving ocean. From the sky to the sea, the journey to bring new life into the wild is a testament to incredible endurance and adaptation. But laying the egg or giving birth is only the beginning. The real challenges are yet to come. Once these tiny, fragile lives emerge, they will face a world filled with lessons to learn and dangers to overcome. How will a fledgling eagle learn to soar? And how will a sea otter pup master the art of the hunt? Join us in Part 2 as we witness their first days, their first meals, and the critical skills they must acquire to survive. The most crucial lessons in the wild school of life are about to begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter in this incredible family saga.